Trade tensions between the United States and China have reignited after U.S. President Donald Trump accused Beijing of totally violating a recently signed trade agreement. The accusation, made via social media, referred to a 90-day tariff truce agreed upon in May that had temporarily eased trade barriers and lifted market sentiment. Trump's comments came shortly after U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent acknowledged that trade negotiations with China had stalled. In a further escalation, Trump announced plans to double tariffs on steel and aluminum imports to 50% effective June 4, a move that drew swift criticism from global trade partners. China swiftly rejected the allegations, accusing the U.S. of breaching the agreement first. Beijing pointed to recent American actions, including new restrictions on AI chip exports, limitations on chip design software, and threats to revoke China's student visas as violations that severely undermined the spirit of the deal. The Chinese Ministry of Commerce condemned the U.S. stance, warning of firm retaliation if what is called discriminatory measures continued. China also dismissed Trump's claims regarding a separate trade agreement reached in Geneva last month, casting doubt on the likelihood of a near-term call between Trump and Chinese President Xi Jinping. Despite the rising tensions, National Economic Council Director Kevin Hassett suggested a conversation between the two leaders could still take place as early as this week. The renewed friction has raised concerns about potential re-escalation of the trade war, which had previously disrupted global markets and strained supply chains worldwide.
Down 5